Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Uterine cervix ratio up to 10 years is 1:2 is the uterine cervix ratio up to 10 years. Then the epithelial lining of the cervical canal is high columnar epithelium. Nabothian cysts occur in erosion of the cervix.
Nabothian follicles occur in erosion of the cervix.
Bartholin ducts opens into a groove between the labia minora and the hymen. A woman presents with fluctuant non-tender swelling at the introitus. The best treatment is marsupialization is done.
Fluctuant non-tender swelling is Bartholin cyst. So for Bartholin cyst, we do marsupialization is done.
Bartholin cysts are caused by gonococcus.
Thank you and thank you for watching.